Hello everyone, welcome to Maths lecture. Now, in the previous lecture, we have completed our lesson number 17, Geometric Constructions. Now, today we have came to the last lesson of your math subject. Okay, that is lesson number 18, three-dimensional shapes. Okay, so what are three-dimensional shapes? First of all, we will see the difference between three-dimensional shapes and two-dimensional shapes. Okay, so three-dimensional shapes. Now, what are three-dimensional shapes? So, the shapes having length, breadth and thickness or height. Okay, shapes having their length, breadth and height or thickness. Such objects are called as three-dimensional shapes or 3D shapes. Okay, 3D shapes. 3D is the short form of three-dimensional shapes. Okay, so objects having their length, breadth and height or thickness are called as three-dimensional objects or three-dimensional shapes. That is 3D shapes. Okay, so generally three-dimensional shapes are the solid objects. Okay, three-dimensional shapes are the solid objects. For example, box, duster, dice, ball, globe, etc. etc. Okay, understood? Now, two-dimensional shapes or 2D shapes. So, two-dimensional shapes are the shapes having only length and breadth and not having height or thickness. Okay, two-dimensional shapes or 2D shapes means objects having their length and breadth. Okay, 2D shapes does not have height or thickness. Okay, so 2D shapes means the shapes having length and breadth and no thickness or height. Okay, so basically two-dimensional shapes or 2D shapes are flat objects. Okay, flat objects are two-dimensional objects. Example, sheets of papers, then newspaper, photographs, etc. are the examples of two-dimensional shapes. Okay, three-dimensional shapes or 3D shapes are the shapes having length, breadth and height or thickness. And these objects are generally solid objects. Okay, example, box, duster, dice, ball, etc. Okay, two-dimensional shapes or 2D shapes are the shapes having only length and breadth and they do not have height or thickness. Okay, so two-dimensional shapes are generally flat objects. Example, paper, sheets, newspapers, photographs, etc. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the different types of three-dimensional shapes. Okay, and their properties. Okay, so let's see. So today we are going to see three types of three-dimensional shapes. Okay, so first is rectangular or quadrangular prisms and next is rectangular prism. Okay, so see, first rectangular prisms or cuboid. Okay, cuboid is having all the sides of rectangle shape. Okay, see, I have drawn this figure of cuboid. You can see that all the sides of this cuboid are of rectangular shape. That is why it is called as rectangular prism. Okay, understood? It is also called as quadrangular prism because the first reason is all the sides of cuboid are rectangular in shape, and second is the opposite sides of cuboid are equal. Okay, opposite sides means, see, this side are of equal size, then this side and this back side are also of equal size, and similarly this top side and bottom side, okay, are of equal length, equal measurement. Okay, So that is why it is called as quadrangular prism. Okay. And cuboid is also called as rectangular prism. Okay. Now, see, cuboid has how many phases? 6 phases. If you count the number of phases of cuboid, you will get the 6 phases. See, this 1, 2, 3, 4, this top 5, and this bottom phase 6. Okay. So, there are total 6 phases of cuboid. Okay. Now next, edges. Edges means the corners of cuboid. See, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this top 4 edges plus this bottom 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 8. And this edges of side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, there are total 12 edges of cuboid. Okay, understood. Now next is vertices. Let us count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these 4 vertices of top. 1, 2, 3, 4. And vertices from the bottom side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So 4 plus 4, 8 vertices. Okay. So cuboid has 6 phases, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay. Now next is cube. Okay. Cube is also called as quadrangular prism. Okay. It is also a quadrangular prism. Okay. With all the sides of square shape. Okay. Cuboid has all the sides of rectangle shape. Similarly, cube has all the sides of square shape. Okay. Understood? It is also a type of quadrangular prism. Okay. Now, cube is also having 6 phases. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. This top 5 and this bottom 6. Okay. So there are total 6 phases of cube. Then edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So 12 edges. And vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this and this. Okay. Total 8 vertices. Okay. So cuboid and cube both are having 6 phases, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay. Just the difference in both of these shapes is all the sides of cuboid are rectangle in shape, and here all the sides of cube are in square shape. Okay. Understood? So I hope you might have understood the rectangular or quadrangular prisms. So the next 3D shape is triangular prisms. Now, what are triangular prisms? See, I have drawn this diagram. Okay. You can see the top side and the bottom side of this figure is triangular in shape. Okay. Similarly, the rest of the sides of this figure are rectangular in shape. Okay. That is the front side, this side and this side. Okay. Are rectangular in shape, and the top side and bottom side are triangular in shape. Okay. So such figures are called as triangular prisms. Okay. See, I have drawn the 2D diagram of this triangular prism. Okay. This is side 1, side 2 and side 3. And this is side 4 and this is side 5. So this is the top side, this is the bottom side, and these are the rest of the sides, okay, of triangular prisms. Okay, so this 2D diagram of this 3D object is called as net. Okay, NET, net. Okay, so understood? Triangular prisms means the top and bottom side of it is triangular in shape and the rest of the sides are rectangle in shape. Okay, now phases of this triangular prism. Okay, let us count. See, 1, this top face, bottom face 2, this front 3, 4, 5. Okay, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are total 5 phases of triangular prisms. Then let us count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and this 9. Okay, so there are total 9 edges of triangular prism. Now vertices, let us count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are 6 vertices of triangular prisms. Okay, understood? So today we have learnt the 3 shapes, that is cuboid, cube and triangular prism. Okay, understood? So I hope you might have understood this topic. In the next lecture we will see the further 3D shapes. Okay, so till that, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.